139AA of Income Tax Add, satisfied upheld section means pan-India linking is valid. Okay, so in a series of what section of the Aadhaar Act stands, what does not stand, which will require Aadhaar, which will not require Aadhaar. This is a major one of the Supreme Court saying that the linking, the pan-India linking has been held valid by the Supreme Court. This is what is required under the income tax. The bank account linking has been set aside. The bank account linking to the Aadhaar cards has been set aside, but the pan-India linking for your income tax, that stands. Bank accounts obviously means the private accounts as well, and that they have already said that no corporate body and no school and no authority which is not drawing out of the consolidated fund will be allowed. Also saying that bank
account. I just want to get a clarification from the panel on that. Jitin, okay, if private banks can't take our Aadhaar details, what about public sector banks?
Where have they said the private banks? They have said any sort of private entity, even public sector banks. Public sector banks are corporate entities. Corporate entities, what has been used.
Okay.
So Aadhaar enabled payments are gone.
From all banks, whether they are PSUs
payments,
or not.
Bhim payments, everything is gone. You see what has happened. Supreme Court, what Supreme Court has done was what Rajya Sabha was supposed to do, and because they passed it as a money bill without the debate, there was no amendments, and because there was a money bill on the same, and because they went to Supreme Court saying that now it is a law, it is a money bill. Supreme Court have put them there in their own trap, and they said because it is a money bill, only benefits what you will be able to pass through Aadhaar will be what are drawn from the Consolidated Fund of India. Any other benefit, any other linking is held unconstitutional. That is why this.
And they've also very clearly said that linking your mobile number with Aadhaar is unconstitutional.
Hospitals, schools, everything. Nobody can seek your Aadhaar. Only cases like, for example,
so now you don't. Yeah, so you don't have to open your bank account with an Aadhaar number.
No, you have.
Yeah, no. that they've clearly said. So linking
Nidhi,
Aadhaar.
Anywhere you seek a government benefit. For example, you want to have a scholarship, then a school can ask. A bank, if you want to take some sort of government loan or government scheme, you can seek Aadhaar. But for normal purposes, for identification and linking, Aadhaar will not be mandatory now. It cannot be allowed. It's not. Forget even the voluntary thing is gone. Nobody can seek. And the beautiful part, the largest impact will be the Aadhaar enabled economy which they were talking about. So WhatsApp payments, Bhim payments, every bank has been launching one after another Aadhaar enabled payments. They're all now all gone. But because they have upheld PAN to be linked with Aadhaar, technically now we will be seeing an era where we'll have PAN enabled payments.